It's a storm out in the woods, and trees are really bending in the wind out by the old cabin build. Yeah, there's a windfall or a storm warning for everywhere right now for all of the interior. I'm out here in the forest, but I'm being careful because I know where the big trees are that could fall on me. So I'm in the forest right now. Oh, look at the size of this big tree here, standing right beside me here. Huge, huge pine tree, lodgepole pine. It's huge. See it swaying around in the wind.